Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox my new 3x3 Rubik's Cube that I bought from Amazon. I came across this cube while searching for budget speed cube on Amazon, and this cube costs around rupees 290 INR, which includes delivery charge while it is being delivered in Manipur. So in other states it might be much more cheaper. Now let's unbox it. It's in a box. Let me tear the plastic here. Let's see what's inside the box. I told you the color is quite different. It's beautiful. There's a manual. Look at the difference between this big tube. It's white color, the blue color faces, then the yellow color face, then the green color face, then where's the blue color? There's the blue color. There's orange. The orange color face. I think it's pretty good, even though it's not a magnetic cube. Okay. So I will just scramble the cube. So I'm going to solve the cube using the beginner's C4 method. That is, I'm going to solve the white cross, then followed by the first two layers F12, then followed by OLL, and finally finishing the solve using the PLL. I'm not a very fast speed cuber, but I'll attempt to solve it as fast as possible. Thorough inspection. That's a good piece. It's already solved. The white, the green part, the green cross is already solved. I think red cross is also solved. Orange is in a good position, but blue is in a bad position, but I can handle it. So let me start the timer. 1, 2, 3. So then what process solved now? The colors are a little bit confusing, but I can handle it. And it's not the smoothest cube. Not the smoothest cube. Or yeah. You see, there first I solve. Screen should be. Be careful while if I feel this solve. Yes, this one. Great. Yes. Okay, great. Okay. So what's more? Oh, I wasted a couple minutes. That is 1 minute and 6 seconds. Not bad for someone like me, who is not a very fast speed cuber.